Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and if you're looking for a light, convenient way to stay hydrated while traveling or trekking, you've got to try out the Platypus.
One of my favorite things that I love about this is how tiny it packs up. I also really like the cap. It's nice and comfortable for drinking out of. It is so easy to pack away. This is such a great thing for traveling, for hiking. It's also really easy to drink out of as well. It's comfortable, it doesn't leak everywhere. And I also like the material that the Platypus is used out of. The material it's made out of is so lightweight. So this is going to be lighter than any lightweight hard bottle you'll ever find. The lid is also very snug, and I like the material that's used out of. Not only is it lightweight, but it doesn't make the liquid taste funny. Look at how tiny it reduces. This is amazing. I love the size of it. It's 1 liter, so it holds a nice amount of liquid.
I think this is a super way to stay hydrated. I really like it, and that is my point of view.